Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you best health insurance for travel. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, when you are packing for an international trip, sorting out travel insurance is easily the most important move you can make. Mainly because your regular domestic health plan almost completely cuts out the second you cross the border. So, if you run into medical emergencies abroad, you want a plan that fits exactly how you travel. Now, in this case, there are four specific providers leading the market right now, and each build a completely different style of trip. Now, in this case, if you are planning a standard family holiday or a classic 2-week vacation here, your best overall bet is going to be Alliance Global Assistance. Now, they are essentially the legacy gold standard of the industry. So, what makes Alliance so reliable is their massive global network and their stellar 24/7 helpline. Now, if you have an emergency, they coordinate directly with hospitals to handle the bills, so you don't have to pay out of pocket. Plus, their Travel Smart app makes filing a claim as simple as snapping a picture of your medical receipt. Now, if you don't have the set return date because you are working remotely here or living the digital nomad lifestyle, you should look straight at, or in this case, Safety Wing. Now, they completely changed the game by treating travel medical insurance like a flexible streaming subscription. Now, you pay a low monthly fee that automatically renews every 4 weeks until you pause it. Now, it is incredibly budget friendly, so or in this case, it gives you great emergency medical coverage and even covers you for short visits back to your home country. Now, if your vacation involves pushing boundaries here, like let's just say you are scuba diving here, skiing or hiking remote trails, then World Nomads is built for you. Now, standard insurance policies have strict fine print that excludes injuries from sports, but World Nomads here covers over 150 extreme activities. They focus heavily on robust medical evacuation here, meaning if you get hurt on a remote mountain, they will cover the massive cost to fly you safely to a proper hospital. And finally, we have, or if you want an incredibly seamless high-tech experience here, you should look at Hey Mondo. Now, they are a massive favorite because their app features a built-in 24/7 medical chat where you can consult a real doctor for free over Wi-Fi, saving you a stressful trip to a foreign clinic for minor symptoms. They also excel at direct billing, meaning they arrange to pay the hospital directly so you aren't stuck waiting months for a reimbursement check. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.